it has to be, 2, 3, 4, 5 people that have a team so that you can go to make progress and not just, move pigs every day.
That's something that we've experienced over the last year is just really building out the team and trying to get on a good system as far as keeping everything efficient. And when you're growing, there are some growing pains and everything like that that happens along with it. But it's all good things. And like you said, the last couple of years have really amplified things. It's great. I mean, I know that a lot of industries are having to stock market. A lot of things are having
Sure.
their pains now, but farming, that's one thing that's been staying tried and true throughout all of this.
Even cryptocurrency people have to eat.
And one thing that you brought up a second ago was land leasing. That's something that I'm starting to see for farming start to become a lot more popular. I know that you guys do some stuff like that, and it's something that I've entertained the thought of. In the process of it, when do you feel that it's right to venture off and consider land leasing versus just going in? Because some people that I was recently talking to were considering that way of farming before they actually started a farm. Is there a recommendation you have as far as starting your farm first and then getting into land leasing? Or
Certainly, I know people who are farming full time and don't own any land and just lease. But most folks have at least a hub that they own, and I think that's good, where you can kind of have you can have your equipment and your infrastructure, and you can have your shed and stockpile, have your stuff in it. And like if you're doing chickens, to have where you're going to process your chickens, that sort of thing, to kind of have a hub that you own and control. But that doesn't have to be that big. Land leasing is all over the place now.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Flores Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.